building components are undesirable for a variety of reasons. When locating leaks, you can get an idea of the extent of the damage by creating a moisture profile. Today I would like to show you how this works with the Wöhler HBF 420. This wall here is partially damp, and the task now is to create a moisture profile of the wall. With the Wöhler HBF 420, I have the option of using the non-destructive dielectric method in addition to the resistance measurement method. I would now like to do that here, but first I need a reference value, meaning I have to measure how many digits mean dry at a dry point. Dry is just under 4 digits at this point, and the further I get to my wet spot, the higher the value becomes. And so I measure at the various points where the value is highest, and that is right here. Here I can see that the value at this point was just under 12 digits. Why am I doing this? After all, I want to know at the end, when the drying has taken place, whether it was really successful, and that this spot must be just as dry as my reference value, and that's how easy it is to create a moisture profile with the Wöhler HBF 420.